Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got something kind of exciting here.
I see a lot of snacks on the table.
Do you know what we're doing today?
I believe eating all the food that we have in front of us. That's the plan.
That is the plan. Today's video is sponsored by Target, and we are going to be doing some snack taste testing and creating a little bit.
Love this.
You know what I mean?
For us.
So Good and Gather is Target's new flagship brand. It's new and only at Target, okay?
Ever heard of it?
I like trying out different things together, and I was so excited when I went shopping for this stuff because they have so many different products across so many different categories. There's stuff that's ready-made, there's stuff that you can kind of put together and make meals. There's just like
there's some popcorn stuff as well. I see you left that out.
Yeah.
I know that's like a big thing for you.
But not only that, there's just a huge selection. As I was going through the grocery department, it was just like...
They have everything.
Yeah, it was like one thing after another, and they're also going to be launching even more next year. Today, we're going to be doing some testing of some of the snacks, and also a little combination of some snacks.
Little cocktails.
I feel like we need to start with this salad that I picked out.
What? Start with salad? What do you mean? I have a suggestion for the starting point. Can we start with a beverage, and I think we can like kind of drink it throughout the whole video?
Okay. My mom and I were shopping. What were we shopping for?
Holiday stuff, I think.
I think holidays, because you know, 'tis the season.
Yeah.
And anyway, I went in the popcorn aisle and I found this. This is the sweet and salty kettle corn. And you know, I haven't always been a kettle person.
Can I say something? You pulled out the popcorn right away.
It's kind of a tradition with my mom since I was a kid. When we would go to Target, buy the popcorn, shop through the store.
Yeah.
It's kind of been a thing. If you guys like kettle corn, this one's really, really good. I like the fact that it's not crazy sweet.
Yeah, it tastes good. I could eat a whole bag of this though pretty easily.
It definitely leaves you wanting more.
Yeah, that's the problem. All right, the moment I've been waiting for now. The beverage. It's called Cucumber Mint. It's sparkling water.
Sparkling water. I'm really into sparkling waters right now as well.
Same.
Like flavored sparkling waters. They have a lot of cute flavors too. Cheers.
Cheers.
Very light and refreshing. You can make a little cocktail out of this too.
Adults only.
I was really excited they had salsa. I love salsa.
Same.
I'll put it on everything, any meal of the day. And these are the Good and Gather organic yellow corn tortilla chips. And I said, oh, you know what we can do with this?
Little nacho moment.
I used to have a snack like this after school.
All right, so you're making vintage nacho moment right now.
Yeah, I used to do this when I was a kid, and honestly, I don't know why I stopped. So this is the Good and Gather Colby Jack. It's Colby and Monterey Jack cheese, just shredded. So I'm gonna throw some on. Did anybody else used to do this? Did you ever used to do this?
Yeah, girl, everybody did this.
Everybody did.
But I did it on a paper plate back in the day. It wasn't a real plate.
Oh, you wanted the cheese to stick to the plate.
Yeah, that changes everything.
Maybe set it on fire a
little
bit.
Yeah. I will say, when I was a kid, I didn't do anything beyond this. It was just this.
Oh, just this?
I never added the salsa moments.
We're making this artesian.
Yeah, this is definitely like a higher end nacho.
Is this not bringing back memories right now?
Oh my God, the look of that.
Right.
That might be the thumbnail right there, guys.
You know what I mean? Chip number one. That's good. Oh my gosh, that's the best idea.
What? Are you making chicken nachos, dude?
I got this for a salad, but it could be really good on here too.
I'm all for no salad and more nachos. I'm not gonna fight you on that one.
These chips are really giving it to me. I like the yellow corn flavor a lot.
Yeah. Okay, so I see we have more cheese here. We got some pita snacks. These are sea salt oven baked pita chips.
I love pita chips.
I think pita's really hot right now. I see that we have some hummus back there too, right?
We sure do.
Can that be a part of this collaboration, or is that for something else?
If you want it a part of this, it can be.
I think we should pull it out while we're here. This is a Good and Gather classic hummus. I feel like with the pita, you have to have hummus.
Yeah.
But you have cheese here and some turkey breast. What are you trying to do here?
Well, okay, you guys, John loves turkey sandwiches maybe more than he loves me, I think.
It's tied.
I thought it'd be nice to have like Colby Jack with turkey and maybe on a pita chip, almost like a miniature sandwich.
Don't tempt me with a good
time. You know
time.
what I mean? I kind of pulled out a lot of turkey, so I hope you're hungry.
I'll find somewhere to put it.
So I was thinking you could just like split this in half. A pita and turkey.
Can I tell you what you're missing? I think you do this same thing. Don't change too much. Pita, a little bit of the hummus, a little bit of the cheese, and then do the turkey on top.
Really?
Do you need a bonding agent between this, the cheese, and the turkey?
He's just trying to reinvent the wheel.
I've been making turkey sandwiches since before you were born. Woo! The cheese is really good. We also got these baby cut carrots. I think this could be an alternative for pita chips in the hummus, right? Do you eat a lot of carrots?
I used to have a carrot problem. Do you remember?
Problem. You're just eating them left and right. Okay, these are sweet potato crinkle cut potato chips. Also Good and Gather.
Oh, that texture in there. That's a pretty chip.
It's got a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
I don't know if you need to mix anything with this, though. I feel like it tastes pretty good by itself. All right, I see some salad stuff here.
Yes. Okay, so this has my name written all over it. John's not a salad connoisseur like I am.
You're all about salad, dude.
I love greens. I love eating greens. So I was very excited about the ingredients that were in here. This is the Good and Gather Asiago kale. It has kale, radicchio, Brussels sprouts, focaccia crumbles, and Asiago cheese. And it has a lemon garlic vinaigrette, which is like...
Oh, there's a dressing in there too?
Yes,
Oh,
it has
cool.
a lemon garlic vinaigrette.
All right, so you got this shredded chicken too. Is this pre-cooked?
Yes, it is.
I'm not gonna lie, salads are like, they scare me.
What?
I don't know if it was the way I was raised. It was just we didn't have a lot of salad around or what.
So I'm just gonna I'm not gonna put all the chicken in here, but I'm gonna put some of it in here. And this is just shredded rotisserie chicken. Oh my god!
Is that good? Is that enough?
That's one leaf.
The dressing is really good.
Yeah.
I'll say that. Okay, so now we have some snacks.
I got the dark chocolate banana chips. That's definitely like up my alley, for sure.
And then I have the hazelnut spread to go with breadsticks.
That's such a John moment. Wow.
Whoa. It was better than that, guaranteed. 100%. Favorite thing I've had so far.
Really?
I don't even know if I want to share this with you. Just right here.
Yeah.
Okay, we also got these quick bites. Your mom was really excited about these quick bites. On the go. Have one of these in the car at all times. That could be like a perfect little snack, you know?
She's probably gonna start keeping these around for when I'm hangry.
It's cheddar cheese, dried sweetened cranberries, and sea salted cashews. You know what I like about this particular combination is there's everything in here is a heavy hitter, you know?
Yeah.
It's not
There's
like
no weakling in there?
No, there's no filler snacks up in this one, okay? I feel like this is the perfect snack.
Oh,
Little kick from that cranberry or what?
the cheddar. That's pretty good.
Yeah, these cranberries are really good too. I'm wondering is it okay to bring back snacks that we've already talked about?
You can bring back whatever you want, John. He's going back to the hazelnut.
Wow.
Am I gonna need to start stocking those up in the house? I kind of wanted to test out a little smoothie.
Okay, I had no idea that's where you're going with this one. I
You did?
just saw like a bunch of things. I was like, I do not. Is this a
You were
salad?
confused. They have almond milk.
Yeah,
I
but-
love almond milk. Almond milk, like I don't need regular milk. You know what I mean?
I love almond milk too. Cereal.
It's cereal.
Woo.
Ooh. Unsweetened vanilla almond milk. This is strawberry and banana fruit blend. You wanna throw some spinach in there?
Yes, so I do like spinach when it's been totally annihilated. I really love spinach.
This is the only way I can get John to eat anything green. And then take some of these. These are toasted coconut chips, which I love coconut. Coconut's also very hot right now. Throw some of these on top.
That's really good. I feel like I really taste the almond butter actually.
That little crunch with the coconut chip was pretty good.
So what was your favorite item?
My favorite item?
Hands down, you have to buy this item. What is number one?
The toasted coconut chips.
Wow, you love those that
I don't
much.
know. I was not expecting them to be that good. Okay, so I really like the coconut chips, but for like a savory moment, I'm gonna go with the nachos.
Nachos or that turkey was really good. Turkey sandwiches were really good. The pita stuff was really good. Hands down, the hazelnut spread to go. Where have you been my whole life? I don't know because I'm really into sweets right now.
Right now?
I'm really into sweets.
I mean, just when I was shopping for everything, I was truly surprised at the selection of everything that they had. All right, you guys, so comment down below. Let me know if you're gonna try out any one of these concoctions or just any one of the snacks in general.
Or if you have one that we should try out, let us know.
Yes. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description box so you can check out all the products that they have in Good and Gather. And just a reminder that today's video is sponsored by Target. So that wraps up this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. Cute wave.
Hey, waves are cool. Waves are in. You know?
Shake it up, John. Shake it up. Shake it up.
And what else? Dessert?
Oh, hell yeah. I don't know what you're thinking.
I don't know. I'm just going with it. I'm sorry. Sorry.
What?
One more time. Got it. We got period.
Period.
Let's go! Dude. Get your head in the game, John.
I feel like I have kale in my teeth.
You 100% do. Does it look like I have a baby tea on? No. You take it.
Right. Yeah.
You sure you want me in this thing?